Children, see the page number 85. One activity is given. Tick the objects which has air in it. Tick the objects which has air in it. First one, spinning top, glass ball, iron rod, gas cylinder, balloons, parachute. Okay children, let us see one by one. First one, spinning top. Spinning top na bumper. Bumper tukulla air irka illaya? No air. So it does not have air inside. Second one, glass ball. It does not have air inside. Iron rod. It does not have air inside. Gas cylinder. It has air in it. It has air in it. So we should put the tick mark here. Second one, balloons. It has air in it. We should put the tick mark here. Last one, parachute. It has air in it. We should put the tick mark. Okay children, do you understand? Spinning top, glass ball, iron rod, gas cylinder, balloons, parachute. Children, page number 90. One activity is given. Page number 90. One activity is given. Tick the object which gives out water vapor. Tick the object which gives out water vapor. First one, t-shirts. First one, t-shirts. Gives out water vapor. Water changes into water vapor. So we should put the tick mark here. Second one, plant. Plant gives out water vapor. Plant gives out water vapor. Sea. Sea gives out water vapor. So we should put the tick mark. Dolls. It does not give out water vapor. Umbrella does not give out water vapor. Candle does not give out water vapor. Once again, t-shirts, plant, sea gives out water vapor. Children, write the percentage of the gases present in air. Write the percentage of the gases present in air. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, water vapor 4%, other gases 0.07%. Once again, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, water vapor 4%, other gases 0.07%. Children, page number 93. Things which give out oxygen. Things which give out oxygen. Things which give out carbon dioxide. Things which give out oxygen: brinjal plant, papaya plant, coconut tree. Things which give out carbon dioxide: dog, cat, monkey. Children, dog inga, D-O-G, dog. Chinna spelling mistake, D-O-G, dog. C-A-T, cat, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Children, page number 95. Activity is given. Page number 95, activity is given. Tick the causes of global warming. Tick the causes of global warming. Children, Unit 3, book back exercises. Roman 1, choose the correct answer. Roman 1, choose the correct answer. Number 1, air is a dash. Air is a dash. 3 options are given. A, mixture. B, compound. C, complex. Which one is correct, children? Yes, mixture is a correct answer. Air is a mixture. M-I-X-T-U-R-E, mixture. Second one, percentage of oxygen in air is about dash. Percentage of oxygen in air is about dash percent. 3 options are given. Option A 21, option B 78, option C 1. Which one is correct, children? Yes, 21 is the correct answer. Percentage of oxygen in air is about 21%. Root nodules of some plants contain dash. Root nodules of some plants contain dash. Options are given. A, oxygen. B, nitrogen. C, neon. Which one is correct? B is the correct answer. Nitrogen. N-I-T-R-O-G-E-N, nitrogen. Root nodules of some plants contain nitrogen. Number 4. The major cause of air pollution is dash. The major cause of air pollution is dash. Options are given. Waste, smoke, water vapor. Smoke is the correct answer. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. The major cause of air pollution is smoke. Second Roman, who am I? Question number 1. I am a mixture of gases. I am a mixture of gases. Answer, air. A-I-R, air. Second one, I give you oxygen. I give you oxygen. Plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Third one, I am not the supporter of burning. I am not the supporter of burning. Nitrogen. N-I-T-R-O-G-E-N, nitrogen. Number 4, you can help me to decrease pollution by riding on me. You can help me to decrease pollution by riding on me. Bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Once again, I am a mixture of gases. Air. I give you oxygen. Plants. I am not the supporter of burning. Nitrogen. You can help me to decrease pollution by riding on me. Bicycle. Roman 3. Write true or false. Roman 3. Write true or false. First one. Plants need nitrogen for their growth. Plants need nitrogen for their growth. True. Air is made up of oxygen only. Air is made up of oxygen only. False. The gas used for burning things is argon. The gas used for burning things is argon. False. Number 4. Carbonated drinks are bad to health. Carbonated drinks are bad to health. True. Once again, plants need nitrogen for their growth. True. Air is made up of oxygen only. False. The gas used for burning things is argon. False. Carbonated drinks are bad to health. True. Next. Roman 4. Match the following. Number 1, nitrogen 78%. Balloon, air. Smog, smoke and fog. Lung cancer, air pollution. Once again, nitrogen 78%. Balloon, air. Smog, smoke and fog. Lung cancer, air pollution. Roman 5. Fill in the blanks. Roman 5, fill in the blanks. Air is a mixture of many gases. Air is a mixture of many gases. GASES, gases. Second one, amount of carbon dioxide in the air is 0.03%. Amount of carbon dioxide in the air is 0.03%. We inhale oxygen gas. We inhale oxygen gas. OXYGEN, oxygen. Number 4. Carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguishers. Carbon dioxide is used in fire extinguishers. CARBONDIOXIDE, carbon dioxide. CARBON, carbon dioxide. DIOXIDE, carbon dioxide. Children, Roman 6, answer the following questions in brief. Answer the following questions in brief. Page number 88. Page number 88. What are the importance of air in our daily life? What are the importance of air in our daily life? Answer. Oxygen present in air is needed for respiration. Oxygen present in air is needed for respiration. Second point, we can speak and hear the sound only when there is air around. We can speak and hear the sound only when there is air around. Next point, air helps in the dispersal of seeds for plant reproduction. Air helps in the dispersal of seeds for plant reproduction. Next point, monsoon and rain occurs due to the wind action. Monsoon and rain occurs due to the wind action. Last point, air regulates the atmospheric temperature. Air regulates the atmospheric temperature. ATMOSPHERIC, atmospheric. Temperature, TEMPERATURE, temperature. Dispersal, DISPERSAL, dispersal. Respiration, RESPIRATION, respiration. Children, this is answer for first brief. Children, see the second question, page number 90. Page number 90. This is components of air. This picture is components of air. Second question, what are the components of air? What are the components of air? Answer, components of air are nitrogen, argon, carbon dioxide, other gases. Nitrogen, argon, carbon dioxide, other gases. Okay, children. Question number 3. What are the adverse effects of air pollution? What are the adverse effects of air pollution? Answer, global warming, formation of smog, formation of acid rain, aerosol formation, depletion of ozone. Children, heading alone we have to write. Heading alone we have to write. Once again, what are the adverse effects of air pollution? What are the adverse effects of air pollution? Page number 94. See the page number 94. Global warming, GLOBAL, global warming, WARMING, global warming. Formation of smog. SMOG, smog. Formation of acid rain. Formation of acid rain. Aerosol formation. Aerosol formation. AEROSOL, aerosol formation. Depletion of ozone. Depletion of ozone. DEPLETION, depletion of ozone. Children, question number 4. List uses of oxygen. List uses of oxygen. Answer: all living things use oxygen for breathing. All living things use oxygen for breathing. Oxygen is essential for burning. Oxygen is essential for burning. Oxygen cylinders are used in hospitals to enable the patients to breathe when they cannot breathe normally. Oxygen cylinders are used in hospitals to enable to the patients to breathe when they cannot breathe normally. Oxygen is used in gas welding. Oxygen is used in gas welding. Roman 7. Give short answers. Roman 7. Give short answers. Question number 1. How can we reduce air pollution? How can we reduce air pollution? Answer: air pollution can be reduced by the following steps. Air pollution can be reduced by the following steps. First point: alternative source of energy. Alternative source of energy. Example: solar energy. Example: solar energy should be used. Second one: air filters should be used to prevent harmful gases mixing with the air. Air filters should be used to prevent harmful gases mixing with the air. Next point: smoke emission test and certification of motor vehicles must be enforced. Smoke emission test and certification of motor vehicles must be enforced. Last one: more trees should be planted to absorb carbon dioxide. More trees should be planted to absorb carbon dioxide. Children, all these 4 points we have to write. Children, see the page number 95. Question number 2. What are the diseases caused due to air pollution? What are the diseases caused due to air pollution? Answer: air pollution causes irritation in the eyes. Air pollution causes irritation in the eyes, nose and throat. Air pollution can also produce wheezing, coughing and breathing problems in humans. Air pollution causes irritation in the eyes, nose and throat. Air pollution can also produce wheezing, coughing and breathing problems in humans. Some of the major effects of air pollution on human beings are. Some of the major effects of air pollution on human beings are. Children, first one: respiratory diseases. Respiratory diseases. RESPIRATORY, respiratory diseases. DISEASES, respiratory diseases. Respiratory means breathing problem. Respiratory means breathing problem. மூச்சு விடும்போது கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும். Example: flu, tuberculosis. Flu tuberculosis. FLU. Flu tuberculosis. 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 Once again. TUBERCULOSIS. Tuberculosis means diseases that affects the lungs. Diseases that affects the lungs. காசநோய், எலும்புருக்கி நோய். Okay children. Next one, cardiovascular damage. Cardiovascular damage. CARDIOVASCULAR. Cardiovascular damage. DAMAGE. Cardiovascular damage means circulatory system. Circulatory system. Cardiovascular means circulatory system. Next one, fatigue. 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 Headaches. Headaches. And anxiety. 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 Anxiety means feeling of worry or fear. Anxiety means feeling of worry. கவலை. Anxiety na கவலை. Fatigue. Fatigue na சோர்வு. டயர்டா இருக்கிறது. FATIGUE. Fatigue. Fatigue means feeling tiredness. Feeling tiredness. Feeling of tiredness. Last one, nervous system damage. Last one, nervous system damage. NERVOUS. Nervous system. SYSTEM. Nervous system damage. Okay children. Children, question number 3. List out the uses of carbon dioxide. List out the uses of carbon dioxide. First one, carbon dioxide helps plants in photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide helps plants in photosynthesis. It is used in fire extinguishers. It is used in fire extinguishers. It is used in refrigerators as dry ice for cooling purpose. It is used to make plastics and polymers. Once again, carbon dioxide helps plants in photosynthesis. It is used in fire extinguishers. It is used in refrigerators as dry ice for cooling purpose. It is used to make plastics and polymers. Children, see the page number 92. See the page number 92. Uses of carbon dioxide. Uses of carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis. 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 Fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers. EXTINGUISHERS. Fire extinguishers. Refrigerators. 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 Plastics. 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 Polymers. 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 Children, see the page number 91. One activity is given. Question number 1. You might have seen some huge colorful balloons. You might have seen some huge colorful balloons flying high in malls. Huge means very big. Huge means very big. Huge colorful balloons. பெரிய பெரிய பலூன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பேராஷூட் மாதிரி இருக்கிற பலூன்ஸ் வந்து மால்ஸ் அங்கே வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, பறக்க விட்டுருப்பாங்க. Those balloons are filled with nitrogen gas. Those balloons are filled with nitrogen gas. Write the reason for filling nitrogen gas in balloons. Write the reason for filling nitrogen gas in balloons. Okay children, answer. The amount of nitrogen present in air is about 78%. The amount of nitrogen present in air is about 78%. So it will float in air and it will float upwards, and it is also non-flammable gas. Non-flammable means not burning. Nitrogen gas வந்து எரியாது, not burning. So it will float in air and it will float upwards, and it is also non-flammable gas. Children, additional questions. First Roman, choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answers. Question number 1. Dash is important for all living creatures. Dash is important for all living creatures. Children's living creatures means living things. A bird, a fish, an insects, etc. Dash is important for all living creatures. Dust, pure air, unclean air. 3 options are given. A. Dust. B. Pure air. C. Unclean air. The correct answer is pure air. P-U-R-E, pure air. A-I-R, air. Pure air is important for all living creatures. Question number 2. Air has no dash and dash. Air has no dash and dash. 3 options are given. Smell, color, smell and color. So, air has no smell and color. Smell na வாசனை இருக்காது, கலரும் இருக்காது. Airக்கு no color, no smell. The correct answer is air has no smell and color. S-M-E-L-L, smell. C-O-L-O-U-R, color. Children, question number 3. Dash gas is filled in tires of vehicles. Dash gas is filled in tires of vehicles. Options are given. A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Carbon dioxide. Which one is correct, children? Yes, B is the correct answer. Nitrogen. N-I-T-R-O-G-E-N, nitrogen. Nitrogen gas is filled in tires of vehicles. Number 4. Dash is used in gas welding, medicine, manufacturing, constructions and transportation. Dash is used in gas welding, medicine, manufacturing, constructions and transportation. Options are given. Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Which one is correct, children? Yes, A is the correct answer. Oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. Oxygen is used in gas welding, medicine, manufacturing, constructions and transportation. Children, second Roman, fill in the blanks. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Dash present in the air is needed for respiration. Dash present in the air is needed for respiration. 2 options are given. Oxygen and helium. 2 options are given. Oxygen or helium. Dash present in the air is needed for respiration. Oxygen is the correct answer. So, oxygen present in the air is needed for respiration. O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. Question number 2. Monsoon and rain occurs due to the dash. Monsoon and rain occurs due to the dash. 2 options are given. Wind action, Sun action. Wind action is the correct answer. WIND, wind, ACTION, wind action. Monsoon and rain occurs due to the wind action. Question number 3. Composition of the component of air. Dash from place to place. Composition of the component of air. Dash from place to place. Two options are given. Vary, constant. VARY, vary is the correct answer. Children, vary means to be different from each other. மாறிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். Composition of the component of air வந்து பிளேஸ்க்கு பிளேஸ் என்ன பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கும்? வேரினா மாறிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும். Okay children. Composition of the component of air vary from place to place. Question number 4. Dash is the main component of air. Dash is the main component of air. Two options are given. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Nitrogen is the correct answer. NITROGEN. Nitrogen is the main component of air. Question number 5. The Scottish chemist dash discovered carbon dioxide present in the air. The Scottish chemist dash discovered carbon dioxide is present in air. Joseph Priestley, Joseph Black. Joseph Black is the correct answer. The Scottish chemist Joseph Black discovered carbon dioxide is present in air. Children, Roman 3, true or false? Roman 3, true or false? Question number 1. All living things use oxygen for breathing. All living things use oxygen for breathing. Yes, this statement is correct. So the answer is true. All living things use oxygen for breathing. True. Question number 2. The main component of air is oxygen. The main component of air is oxygen. This statement is wrong. So the answer is false. FALSE, false. The main component of air is oxygen. False. Question number 3. Plants need nitrogen for growth. Plants need nitrogen for growth. This statement is correct. So the answer is true. Question number 4. Nitrogen is essential for burning. Nitrogen is essential for burning. False. Air is important for ships and boats to sail. Air is important for ships and boats to sail. Yes, this statement is correct. So the answer is true. Children, Roman 4, match the following. Roman 4, match the following. First one, layer of air. Layer of air, atmosphere. The correct answer is atmosphere. ATMOSPHERE, atmosphere. Electrical energy, windmill. Electrical energy, windmill. WINDMILL, windmill. Nitrogen, 78%. Nitrogen, 78%. Oxygen, 21%. Oxygen, 21%. Palm leaves, hand fan. Palm leaves, hand fan. Children, answer the following. Question number 1. What is the mixture of air? What is the mixture of air? The air consists of a mixture of gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, dust and smoke. Air consists of a mixture of gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, dust and smoke. Question number 2. What is moving air called? What is moving air called? Moving air is called wind. Moving air is called wind. Question number 3. Do sailors need the help of wind to sail? Do sailors need the help of wind to sail? Yes. Ships and boats sail on the sea with the help of the wind. Ships and boats sail on the sea with the help of the wind. Question number 4. Name 2 examples for wind instruments. Name 2 examples for wind instruments. The Nadaswaram and the flute are some of the examples for wind instrument. The Nadaswaram and the flute are some of the examples for wind instrument. Nathaswaram, Nadaswaram. Nathaswaram, Nadaswaram. Flute, flute, flute. Question number 5. Which gas is essential for burning? Which gas is essential for burning? Yes, oxygen is very essential for burning. Oxygen is very essential for burning. ESSENTIAL, essential. Question number 6. What was the old name of nitrogen? What was the old name of nitrogen? Noxious. Noxious air. Noxious air. NOXIOUS. Noxious air. AIR, air. Children, question number 6. What was the old name of nitrogen? What was the old name of nitrogen? Noxious air. Noxious air is the old name of nitrogen. NOXIOUS, noxious air, AIR, air. What is the presence of harmful substance in the air called? What is the presence of harmful substance in the air called? Pollution. POLLUTION. Pollution is the presence of harmful substance in the air.